Hey everybody, in this video I've got a super old Kwikset doorknob that was replaced on a job. So I'm going to go ahead and actually pick it for the hell of it. There was no key to it for a long damn time, so I don't know if the pins are even actually moving around in there or anything. Not great, but we should be able to work with it. Spongy feeling. This thing, this is on just a back patio door that it's possible the key hasn't been in this thing in, a decade or something. Yeah, it got replaced because the latch finally failed on it, so the pain in the ass to get open, and then the property manager is just like, yeah, just put something new that matches. So it's open anyway. Tried banging it on an anvil. Alright, it doesn't want to just come out like that. And here it goes. I don't think it's a Titan because Titans usually have the punch out there, but I'll put it to 7 o'clock and it came out. It's weird. Anyway, it's going in the trash. And now we'll be attempting to repin it. And once again, trying not to lock it back. Almost speed gutted it there. Don't really have any reason to gut it. Well, alright, I just dumped it out and there's master wafers in it, so this was going to be original with the condo then. This is a master pin follower. See, there's a master pin right there. And a master wafer or whatever. You gotta get those out because when you repin it, the key will turn the lock, but it won't come out if you don't get them out. Alright, I think they're all out. So 2 came out in the plug, and then 1 little small one came out there. No PK balls in it, though. Those would be there in these holes if there was any of those. And the key we're going to pin it to is this key, and eyeballing this, I think that's going to be a 1, I don't know, maybe 1 3 5 5 3 maybe, or 1 3 5 5 2 1 3 4 4 2. Let's try 1 3 4 4 2 1 3 5 5 3. Alright, 1 3 5 5 3 is what we got here. And if all the master wafers are out, then this should go back in, and the key should work, and the key should come out. And it does, that's good. I'm going to stick our clip back on, and just set this with all my other locks that just sit here just to mess around with or teach people to pick with or whatever. So that will do it for this video, and we will talk to everybody later.